how to find the best Duolingo promo codes and the three websites that will give you genuine and best promo codes related to the Duolingo website. For this, I will click on the first website that is called WeDrift. And in this website, whenever you will scroll to the down, you will see there is a lot of promo codes mentioned here like free gem 600. Rename this Duolingo promo code to get every membership that comes with 600 free gems. So you can get all of the prom code just like this. You can copy it from here and can simply place this and paste it on official Duolingo website. The next website is Get Dried Tips. And this website also you will get a lot of things, a lot of promo codes listed just like any other website. Now the second website is vthrift.com. It is also the best and genuine website or the discount promo code provider where you will see 1 month free trial super promo code for April Fool's 2024, Black Friday 10 and many other options like this. You can simply copy it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this.